I just wanted to make this video about this truck. I acquired this truck, had been sitting for a number of years. Previous owner gave up on it because of the truck wouldn't start after it was warmed up. And dog's killing the cat here. And the truck would sort of sputter once it got warmed up, as you would try to accelerate like it was starving for fuel and that. So it actually ended up to be two separate problems. I changed my throttle pedal, complete throttle pedal. Mine was seized up. I also changed the sensor and the harness for the throttle pedal. I got this throttle pedal assembly from a wreck approximately the same year. I just had to install, it was from a Cummins, this is Detroit. I just had to install the new electronic control there on the side, and then the new harness runs in behind here. It just plugs into there. I also changed the crank position sensor, which is, it's on the front structure. It is on the inside underneath the frame here, 1/2-inch bolt. And then the cam position sensor, which is right there, 1/2-inch bolt as well. And yeah, you just take the bolt out, use a bar like this to get behind it, and they just pop out. These ones were pretty stuck in there. Just be patient so you don't break them. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, $150 for the pedal assembly, plus another $150 for the new control and harness for the throttle. And then it was $250 for both these timing sensors. And now she doesn't miss a beat. Thanks for watching.